Hi, Alex. What are you doing in that?
Jumping.
You like to jump?
Yes.
Hmm? Who's that over there?
That's Daddy and Mommy having.
Daddy and Mommy?
Yeah, having a little fight.
They're having a little fight.
Yeah, they're yelling at each other.
You like to dance?
Yes.
All right. Hey, guys. Hi, guys. Go over there.
Help! Hi.
Hey.
How are you guys? Yeah? You have a good ride over here? Yeah.
We got a giggy pet.
Nuh-uh.
It flew away. Hector scared her away.
Oh, I see. Up there, that tree there. Right, I see something black up.
Yeah, I like this one.
That's a good guitar.
Is that a little Marshall?